Oblin Attorneys at Law, operating out of Vienna, Austria. We are only 16 lawyers, but at the same time covering 6 jurisdictions. That means licensed to practice law in 6 countries. We are doing cross-border disputes, commercial litigation and arbitration. That is representing clients both in business, regular court proceedings as well as commercial arbitration proceedings. Personally, I get to sit as arbitrator once in a while with the various international arbitration rules. What needs to be stressed is that not only white-collar crime has been put onto the regular commercial arbitration and litigation practice, but also cybercrime issues have increased recently, so that we are not only advising clients on their day-to-day issues with data protection and cybersecurity, but also handling cases for insurances, be it revolving around coverage under the policy or going after producers, importers of the soft and hardware causing damages to the client and or the insurance. Yeah, in a nutshell, business litigation arbitration internationally. What clients appreciate is that there are almost 200 dispute resolution experts internationally we may provide direct access to, so to speak, personally vetted. What we know as lawyers is that it's not always the disputes guys who would refer work, accept work, assist, help out, but very oftentimes it's the transactional colleagues as well. But overall, it makes the clients aware that we can either hook them up with specialist counsel in any jurisdiction, or we can just point them to some specialized counsel in the respective jurisdiction. Sanctioned legal entities and individuals increasingly face the problem of being sacked by their counsel. In other words, big law oftentimes have the policy of no longer represent sanctioned clients. In litigation as well as in arbitration, there is no doubt that the right to be heard and fair trial, as a principle, cannot be harmed by the fact that an entity is sanctioned. It just doesn't apply. Sanctions don't apply by law to the representation of clients in court. But again, as a matter of policy, sanctioned clients get sacked. This is where independent law firms come in, and I was recently on the phone with a various team member of this network who would refer me to a colleague of his who is representing those affected individuals. And we are in the process of now taking over the representation. Attendance is brilliant. The table I have the honor to host has very, very interesting colleagues, very insightful discussions. And I was tempted to say, as always, this time I really am under the impression that this is a very, very successful get-together.